Lisette and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about Boxycharm for the month of May. So I'm going to be showing you the box variation that I got for this month. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So the theme for this month is Mother Nature. And let's begin with the first item. The first item that I got is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Use a cotton pad. So this micellar water is a gentle, no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long-wear makeup, excess oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. This retails for $18. Next to the box we have the LMS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. That is what it looks like. Pretty wet, so they're very moist. Let me show you guys. So I think they're super moist. The LMS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads are powered by LMS patent tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. This retails for $59. Next in the box is this is the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. And this is a blendable, lightweight, skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant and long-wearing. Infused with mineral-rich clay to absorb excess oil, it will deliver a crease-proof, fade-proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones. So this retails for $22. Next in the box, I have the Violet Boss Essentials palette. Let me show you guys the inside so you guys can see how gorgeous this eyeshadow palette is. This is 10 full-size cans of warm and cool tones in breathtaking matte and metallic finish. Eyeshadow palette retails for $29. Last but not least in the box, I have the Dose of Colors Satin Lipstick. That's what it looks like. I really like the shape that the lipstick has. It's very easy to apply on the lips. And I have the shade Parfait. So this is a satin lipstick. It's richly pigmented formula in between a matte and creamy finish. Its unique shape allows for a smooth and precise application. I agree, it's true. I do like the shape. It's super nice. And yeah, it's really easy to apply, very easy and smooth. I agree. I'm wearing it right now. And this lipstick retails for $17. I normally don't like to wear pink lipsticks, but this shade is really pretty.